ready to look at doing some improv blocks. So we're gonna look at doing kind of the typical freedom symbol. We're gonna look at doing an American flag. And so this is one that I did right here. We can take a look at that.
I love it.
Isn't that fun?
It's screw-wumpy.
It is.
That's my friend. I love it. Look at this. Nothing is straight.
So it is so much fun. And if you were able to look at this super, super close, I had this piece of kind of a low volume right here that has the Star Spangled Banner on it. But it wasn't long enough. So you know what I did? I just have a seam here. I have a seam here. I have one right here. So I just sewed it together. And when you look at it, the overall look of it, you don't even notice it.
No.
So it just gives you that freedom to create.
I love it.
So we're going to look at this. We're going to let you do one of these blocks. You're going to be the
I'm going to be the
sewer,
doer.
but we're also going to let you make some of these creative choices.
Okay.
So we are ready to sew that to a piece of white. Do you want to use this piece of white?
Sure.
All right. So we're just going to put those together, right sides together.
Okay.
And so now look, it's not straight.
No, but I love it.
Okay.
I love it. I love it.
So we're just going to go ahead and sew that.
Okay.
Just like that. And just as you get to them, if it's a little bit of a bend, just kind of move this up and go for it.
So no straight line.
No straight line.
Okay.
Look at there. So we have red, white. We're going to add another red.
Yeah.
Do you want, we have this one's already cut, ready to go.
Oh yeah, let's
that
just
one?
do it.
Okay. It's just kind of that freeing of your brain and lets you just kind of think and let go and create and feel like you're doing something.
I mean, I'm not even worrying about the straight lines. I'm just...
Look at that. So we're just going to, because we're not going to be able to sew this. This is where I'm like, there's rules. Like, I can't sew this and then come over here and make it attach to this fabric. So we're just going to cut.
Okay.
So here we go. I'm going to come up to this one and just cut straight up.
Okay. So we're going to kind of even that out.
Yep.
Okay.
So we have kind of like just that straight edge.
Okay.
And we are going to sew it to this right here. So here we have this.
Okay.
And now we're going to sew the bottom piece that I have for you.
Oh,
right
look at you.
Okay. So we want some of it to come under here. So we're going to go probably about like that.
Okay.
And just sew that on.
Okay, now mine's not as screwy as yours.
Yours is not. Well, because at this point,
okay.
I took mine and I just put it on a little bit of an angle when I straightened it up.
Oh.
So as you lay this out here, you can either decide to do it straight-ish.
Oh, no.
Or you can rotate it even more, and then you're going to cut your 12.5-inch block. So I'm just going to set this one on top of it so you can kind of see, like right there.
Oh my gosh, look at that, guys.
So we can just square up like that. We can,
it will be wonky.
Yes, we can go a little bit more because we have just those two corners that we have to worry about. And look at that. Your block.
Guys, I'm so excited.
Oh, there's that little. Look at that.
You guys, look how cute that is. Oh.
And we didn't have a pattern. We didn't measure anything until the very, very end.
I love
and then we have our improv block. We have all kinds of different fabrics in there. We have Mickey Mouse. We have quilting. We have.
How easy was that?
Isn't that fun?
This is how every block will be done from now on. Everyone.